Hi folks, welcome back to another Blackbeard's detailing vlog on this project SC430. Today I've got Paul from Locked Out Locksmiths. They work on vehicle keys, a whole manner of things. Their work is absolutely brilliant. So what he's going to do is, I've got two sets of keys here. One is broke. I have a weird looking other key that goes with it. And I have also got another key with a slight snap down there that doesn't have the boot release button. So Paul's going to change these to OEM Toyota style keys.
New Lexus style.
So new Lexus style keys basically, which will suit the car, and yeah, it's handy. So if I ever lose a key, I've also got two kind of spare nice new keys. If you've got a single key, it's probably worthwhile making sure that you've got a spare sitting. The reason being is Paul's explained that they are a nightmare to code in. They're a nightmare to, is it like an ECU replace? Or
pretty much impossible with no keys to an extent. It's just, if you go through the dealer, you'll be a few grand for ECU lock set, and then if it's a dash out job, if a professional's doing it,
yeah, so you'll
still be close to £1,000.
Yeah, so it's a bit of a nightmare. So for the sake of spending, how much would it be in general for a key? Just a rough?
Anything for 150 upwards for a remote key, or a basic manual spare just to dig you out of a bad situation, £80 probably. So
for the cost of that costs about £80 to fill the tank up. So for the cost of that, you can have a basic key which is going to make sure you're not in an absolute, complete and utter pickle should you break or lose one of your keys. It's going to cost you thousands to get sorted, so look into that. So yeah, the game plan is it's going to do exactly what it does. It's not going to be on camera because there's some kind of inside jiggery pokery, hidden locksmith kind of genies that are in there. So yeah, we'll basically show you the old keys and then go into the new keys, and then we'll see if there's any problems along the way, which I'm fairly sure there won't be. But yeah, fingers crossed all goes smoothly. Ideal. Should also point as well, I kind of jumped on Paul when he was in and basically about going on camera thing, so he's a wee bit off. Then
just came in for a wash.
I know, just came in here for a wee visit, and I'm like, get those keys quickly. So yeah, well, hopefully there's no other issues with us, and yeah, hopefully see you soon. Okay, you'll be able to see Paul over my left shoulder there. He's cutting the keys now. They've been cut and he's going to go into the coding process now. So far, all nice and straightforward. The keys look awesome. They're just that nice kind of heavy weighted feel to them. They feel like completely standard car keys, only a lot more modern. So yeah, on to the fun and games of coding it now. No footage of that, as you know, because there's some kind of trade secrets in amongst there. But yeah, I'll be back in a wee update shortly. Well, there we go, success. The old keys basically will just get ditched in the drawer now, and I've got nice new style flip keys, Toyota style with Lexus badges, everything on. The most important thing that was really annoying me is the boot release on the new keys wasn't working. However, I now have the boot release on that, which is so much better than have to open the car and then essentially dump your shopping down and then going and like pressing the button and going back into your shopping. So yeah, unlock in, open, they all work as expected, and I've got two of them. Crank quality as well, really weighty, and got that nice flick with the wee Lexus badge, which is just a nice touch. Makes it look really standard. And yeah, anyway, it didn't take too long to do, around about kind of 30 minutes. Longest part of the process was just kind of cutting the blades, and everything feels nice. It goes in dead smooth, there's no jarring, there's no kind of knocking or anything like that with it. So yeah, I would absolutely recommend Locked Out Automotive Locksmiths. Yeah, if anybody's got these, again, as it says, if you've only got one key and you lose the other key, it's a nightmare. I think if it's to Lexus to get the full lot done, it's like a dashboard out, change of ECUs, change of keys, change of barrels, etc. You're looking at like thousands. So if you've only got the one key, don't risk it, just spend it however much it is, a couple £100 for one of these kind of flip kind of style keys, or the kind of cheaper option, and get a key just to make sure you're not going to get locked out of your car. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. Hope you're all staying safe, and please remember to subscribe and like the videos. That would help me out. Thank you. Cheerio, bye.